Alexa, lights on.
Okay.
Beautiful skin today, better skin tomorrow.
So one of my subscribers actually had this Mark 6 front emblem just sitting around, so they went ahead and shipped it to me for a lower cost than I would have had to pay for OEM. In order to get the emblem to sit upside down like I usually would want it, I'd have to break a clip, and it's brand new. This is the daily. I'm okay with having it sit like that just for the time being. So now looking at it, I'm happy.
Cappuccino? Goddamn right.
It's poison.
Yeah, keep f***ing brooming.
So fab. What are wraps? Wraps.
Sticker residue. I hate it. And so does starting fluid. But with enough elbow grease, it'll clean everything up. Hi! Hello there! How are ya? A little bit. Oh my god. It's all gone. Oh yeah. She's shining. Whoa. What do you think I was gonna do there? Just go ahead and blow my house?
Although that would be an issue, I got bigger issues.
Never mind. Oh. What'd you think? I used this to torque my wheels a spec? No, silly. Here, you just lean on that $2,000 seat, all right? Just right there. Perfect. Good. You know what's not good? This. This is not good at all. Oh. That looks good. Ah! You know, I don't really mind spiders all that much. Or rust. But all of that just had to go. So you guys saw from the coilover install, we put in these 28K Swift springs, which obviously aren't impeding the car's height. Well, you see. Tight fitment, fender liners, they just don't match. Even though I had the 6-inch 28K springs, those fender liners were impeding the car's height. They were literally holding the car higher than it wanted to be. The car's suspension was the fender liner. So we're gonna do a 2-point check. Yep, everything checks out. Nice, clearance, great, wow, awesome, fantastic. Did I mention great, wow, fantastic? Anyway, old friend, you're junk. You guys are going to Mark 5 heaven. And you, my friend, oh, no way! Oh. What? This fender liner, one was robbing me of at least, what, a ½ inch of clearance? And my car almost caught on fire. Rubbing heat. This simple piece literally almost burned my car to the ground. The fender liner almost burnt my car to the ground. It's crazy. I don't trust you. You're much lower now. And now, I'm hyped. I think I just broke my ankle setting the camera up. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, it's so bad. Oh, it's so bad. We gotta get in NASCAR style now. There's no other way. Oh. Oh. Oh yeah, that was way easier, for sure. My ankle hurts. In between clips, I gotta get the camera, and I'm hobbling. Not only did removing that fender liner get us lower, I also don't hear any rubbing anymore. Oh yeah, we're not moving. But if anyone wants those fender liners, they're for sale. So my ankle was swelling, and that's fine. We're building this car in stages. But anyway, the only one put you down. Your build is unique to you. Remember to keep smiling. These cars mean everything to us. And I hope you guys have been enjoying the videos and the car. So on that note, peace out. I'll see you guys later. And I'm gonna go cry because my ankle hurts. Peace. Oh my God, what? Oh, I forgot all about you. Ow, ow, ow. The luxury of buying brand new used, to me, Volkswagens.